Can't you look where you're going? Huh?
Are you out of your mind? I was standing in my lane and you splashed water on me.
How can you be standing close to where there's water? Oh no, I'm going to come down and then move you away from the road.
Are you being serious? You can't even apologize.
Why should I apologize to
You are
you?
being serious. In fact, you're a ritualist. Like, look at my body. You want to ruin my day and use me for rituals?
No, come and collect it from me. Come and take it from me.
You are very rude and annoying. God will punish you. Idiots. God will punish you. I'm running late. Now I have to go and change my clothes again because of this nonsense rude man.
Madam, where you go?
Yeah, good afternoon. Please, I'm here for the interview.
Madam, the interview finished 15 minutes ago. See the boss, send on they go.
Afternoon. You?
You what?
I'm actually late because I went back home to change.
Okay, so what? You want to blame me? You want to blame me for your carelessness?
I am late for the interview because I went to change.
Listen, I don't care. You're late for the job and you've lost the job.
Really?
Yes.
You are not going to help me out? Considering the fact that you are the reason why I came late for the interview.
You're blaming me for your carelessness? Listen, even if you were here early, a rude woman like you will not get a job in this company.
Please, sir, I really need this job. Please, 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 I'm sorry, please, I just need this job. Please, can you just help me? See, this job is very important to me. Please, I'm begging you, please, please. Oh my God. What am I going to do now? Please. Babe, I am just so frustrated. First of all, it was one stupid guy that splashed water on me and made me miss my interview. And now my landlord is disturbing me, saying that they want to renovate the building, that I need to pack out, that he has refunded me back my 6 months rent. I don't know what to do. I'm just stranded.
Thank God you told me. I have an agent friend who has a client that needs a flatmate. Do you think a flatmate is what you can do? It's not a forever thing. It's just something you'll manage till you find your footing. I mean, you guys will have separate bedrooms, but you share a living room.
I don't know. I should just think about it. Probably maybe when we get there, if I like the apartment, we can move in since it's a temporary thing.
Okay, think about it and get back to me. I'll speak to the agent and I'm very sure you'll get discount because of me.
Fine.
Just think about it. It's temporary.
You were right, though.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
What do
I
you
love
think
it.
about it?
It's nice.
Right?
You were so right.
I know.
So if I pay now, how am I going to get my receipt?
Not to worry about that. You already left your receipt with me, so all you need to do is make payment.
That's fair enough. Fair enough. I love this place, and I'm sure we're going to love it here.
I'm sure too.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
But then, what about the flatmate?
I'm sure you guys will get to meet each other soon. Just make your payment and move in. Then you can have your receipts.
Honestly,
So
babes,
lovely.
this house is nice.
Right? Very beautiful finishing. I mean,
And that's the kitchen.
yeah, that's the kitchen. So big.
Kitchen is nice, so. This is the house. Right. It's beautiful, right?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, let's go get our things and move in. Wait, hold on. Okay. Great. Okay. Okay, baby, this way. All right.
Someone's at the door. I think it's them. Hi.
Hi.
You not to worry about it, that I was going to get it. You never listened to me. I'm really sorry if...
You? This must be a joke.
You're not my new flatmate, are you?
I'm your new ghost. Maya, let's go!
You okay?
Yes.
Like, what the hell? Thank God. See,
Olivia, what's the problem? You sounded distressed over the phone.
this is more than being in distress. I can't stay here.
Calm down. What's going on?
You remember that guy I told you? The guy that splashed water on me that I couldn't meet up with the interview. He's the one staying here with his daughter. I can't live here.
How is that even possible?
How am I supposed to know? All I know is that I don't want to stay in this house. I need a refund.
Olivia, calm down. It's not even like that. You and Maya might get to like it here.
Like where? Here. There's no way I am staying in this house with this man. Please, I just need a refund.
Olivia, you know that's not possible now. You can't get a refund. You just have to be patient, though.
So I can't get a refund.
Just take it easy. Just calm down. Let's go inside. It's okay.
Hi.
Are you out of your mind?
Just keep your voice down. The kids are outside.
Do I look like I care? Well, I don't care.
Okay, I know we started off on the wrong foot, but we can do better. Please.
We can do better indeed. As what? Like we're in a relationship or what?
Please, just stop that, okay? I just want to fix things. Please.
Oh, I see. So because we are now flatmates and you can't bear to see my face every morning, is that what this is about?
No, that's not... I'm really sorry. That's why I came...
Oga, I'm not interested in your apologies. Please, leave my room. Please leave and don't walk into my room like this again, please. That's very rude. And have a great day with your stupid car. Rubbish. Learn some manners, okay?
Thank you. Is your foot?
Maya. Maya.
Auntie.
Me?
Yes. Please, can Maya stay for a little while?
What's your name again?
Clarissa.
Good. Do you have school tomorrow?
Yes, I do.
Good. Maya needs to have a dinner now, shower, and go to bed so she can be up early tomorrow. I advise you do the same. Okay? Good.
Come on. It's okay.
Baby, are you okay?
Mom, do you like Claire?
Of course. Why?
I saw the way you talked to her. Are you angry with her?
Of course not. Claire is a sweet girl.
She's my friend.
Baby, don't you think that is too early? You just met her, so she's more like your neighbor, your flatmate, not your friend yet.
But Mom...
Shh, no buts, okay? You've had dinner already. It's time to go to bed, so you'll be up early for school. Tata, okay. You're not going to tell Mommy good night?
Good night, Mom.
I love you.
Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Maya is my friend.
Oh, really?
Yes. She's very nice. And she asked if we could play and hang out in the house. Is that okay?
Of course, sweetie. Sure.
But... her mom, though.
What about her?
I don't think she likes me.
Sweetie, don't say that. Come on.
But it's true. You saw the way she spoke to me.
Well, let's just assume that they were tired from all the moving in. Okay? Don't overthink it. Besides, she is right. You need to go to bed, young lady. It's school day tomorrow. As soon as I'm done packing, you're going to bed.
Okay. But one more round, please.
No. As soon as I'm done, you're going to bed, young lady.
Please.
No. Hey, you're here. Oh, I'm so sorry. Did I startle you?
You shattered me. What nonsense.
I'm sorry about that. I just came to see if I could maybe talk to you because I don't know your name. Also, I wanted to get your opinion. Do you like this furniture? It's my furniture from my old apartment, and I'm thinking of changing it. But I just wanted to get a second opinion if you like it.
I see what you're trying to do. Just like the first time we met, when I dropped my car with the mechanic and I was walking to go pick it up, where you splashed water on me. You're reminding me of that again because I am sitting on your couch, trying to let me know that I am at your mercy, right?
No, I'm... hold up. I never said anything like that. I never did.
That's what you're trying to say.
No, okay, you need to stop. You need to stop this, please. Okay, I only came down because I wanted to talk to you. I don't know you. I don't know your name, at least. The kids are already good friends. They are
Good
already
friends?
acquaintances. Yeah. So I thought we might as well get to know each other.
They are kids, okay? They don't even know their left from their right. Do you think I came here because I want to make friends? No. I'm just here temporarily till I find my feet, then we can move out before you know it, okay?
All right, okay.
I'm not in for any form of
All
familiarity.
right, my name is Nicholas. What's yours? Let's start from there.
If you insist, my name is Olivia, and that's the highest information you will ever get from me.
Nice to meet you, Olivia. At least we're getting somewhere. Nice to meet you.
Excuse me. Somebody cannot even drink in peace.
You forgot your phone here. Do I bring it? Good night. What is this? What is this filth? What is this nonsense going on here? What is this? Is this how you cook? You just litter the whole place with onion peels, vegetables, and...
Press over, Nicholas, and mind your business.
Olivia, I cleaned this kitchen sparklessly last night. It was perfect, pristine condition. I come down here and I see this filth. Look at what you've done to the plates. Just look at what you've done to the plates. And you ask me to mind my business. Is this not part of my business? Is this not part of my kitchen?
Nicholas, I have a child to feed, a child to prepare for school, so I don't have time for this.
Olivia, clean this place up. I need to cook.
See, please, when I'm done cooking, I will clean it up. Or maybe you should just wait outside. When I'm done cooking, I clean up this place. Then you can come in and cook.
It's already late.
Maya, I told you to do this earlier. You can't be struggling with your bag and your books when you're already late for school.
I could take her to school if you want. I think I recognize her uniform. It's close to my daughter's school.
Did I tell you I'm incapable of taking my daughter to school?
I was just offering help.
I don't need your help, okay?
That's fine.
I can do that. Besides, I don't want you to look at me as a pathetic, struggling mother.
I did not say that.
Fine. You have your daughter to take to school. Go ahead and do that. I'll take mine. You want to help. Take here. Come. It's okay. Perfect. Beautiful. All right, let's go. Right. Get in really quick. Okay. All right. What? Okay, this is yours.
Mom,
Yes, honey.
is your car bad?
No, it's going to start, okay?
Are you sure?
Yes, honey, I'm sure. Just have a bit of faith.
Mom, I'm going to be late.
What is it?
I need to take my kid to school. Can you drive, please?
Can't you see I'm trying to make my car start here? Am I playing?
Mom, please, I'm going to be late.
Maya, please just calm down, okay? God.
Look, I know you don't want your daughter to be late. So why don't we push this car away and I can take her to school?
Take who to school? I don't even know you. I should leave my daughter with you? You can just up and run with my daughter and I will not be able to find you. Please, my car is going to start.
Mom, I'm going to be late.
Honey, please just wait, okay? Mommy is trying... Honey! Baby! Oh my goodness. She's in your car now. What more do you want from me?
We still need to push the car.
Jesus Christ.
When you're ready.
See, that guy, he really annoys me. He's getting on my nerves.
Well, he might just be trying to be kind to you. You know, trying to get to know his new neighbor.
Know me for what? We don't owe each other anything. The only thing we owe ourselves is the rent that we paid.
Think maybe you should talk to him about it. If he's apologizing over the water he splashed on you, you should consider forgiving him.
Forgive him. That guy is only sorry because we now live under the same roof. Nicholas is not sorry. The only reason why he's pretending doing that thing that he's doing is because he has a daughter and he doesn't want his daughter to see how ill-mannered he is.
You know you guys now live under the same roof. You're going to need each other at some point.
My dear, I don't need anybody. I don't need him. Okay? Let him mind his business. Let me mind my own business. That's it. Eh? It's not that difficult to do. God. My daughter is almost done from school. Let me go and pick her up. But first, I need to go and pick up my car from the mechanic.
Okay, drink up, I'll drop you.
So, baby, how was school today?
It was fine. I passed almost all my subjects today.
Almost. Why not all?
I'll do better next time.
Better. That's my girl. You know what? I think you need to spend an extra hour studying before you go to bed. So that way you can be able to catch up, okay?
Okay, Mom. Mom, is your car good?
Yeah, sure. It's good. It's fine. Let's go again.
Mom,
Yes, honey.
are you sure the car is okay?
Yes, it is. Oh my God, no. Shit. Oh my God. What's the... Shit. What is this?
Mom,
Yes.
do you mind if I calm down? It's kind of getting hot.
Calm down for what? Maya, you need to stop this. Anytime your mom is in trouble, the next thing you want to do is up and run. That's bad behavior, okay?
But it's hot.
Stay there. That godforsaken Ahmed. Listen to hear it from me. Nonsense. They want to frustrate me. I don't know why I keep... Rubbish sorters. God, it's not the same problem again. Ahmed, you are a very stupid man. Very stupid. Hello? Hello, Ahmed, you can hear me. You can hear me. I don't understand. I gave you my car to fix. It's not even up to an hour and the car is bad again.
Madam, I swear I fixed your car.
Fix what? Fix what? What did you fix? If you had fixed my car, I will not be standing on the road with my car bad again.
How about madam, not be so now?
Listen. See, I don't want to hear any nonsense from you. I'm going to look for a way to get this car across to you. And make sure you fix it with the same money I gave to you earlier today. If you think I'm one of all those your customers that you used to try, you miss Rodo because I will have you arrested if you don't fix this car for me. Do you think I have money to be wasting? Rubbish! I am going to send you to jail if you don't fix this car.
Sir, it never reached like that too.
It has gotten to that. It has gotten to that. Rubbish. I work hard for my money. You collect my money, you will not do anything, you give me back the car like that. It won't work. It won't work. Rubbish. See, baby, get into the car.
Mom, it's hot.
Get into the car! You're even adding to my problems.
Is everything all right?
Yes, Dad.
If this is about Maya, we already went to her school and she's not there. Her mom has already picked her up. Okay? I think that's okay. That's fine.
But we promised we'll pick her.
Yes, I know. I know she's your best friend. But she also has a mom, okay? And if the mom has picked her up, then the both of you can always meet up at home and do what you want to do, play, read. It's fine, okay?
Okay. Is that not Maya?
Olivia.
Can you come down from the car? If you're not sitting down in the car, then stand somewhere. This bad behavior of yours.
What happened to your car? Can I help? What happened?
Why?
What?
Why are you following me everywhere I go? Are you MTN?
Your daughter is over there and this is what you want to talk about. This is what you want to talk about right now, right here. Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
I can do this, okay? I don't need your help.
Look at your daughter. Take a good look at her. She's out in the open, stranded with nowhere to go, literally with no defense. And because of your stupid pride, you're comfortable with it.
Excuse me?
It's okay to say you don't know what you're doing. It's okay to say you need help. I can help. I can take a look at that. Or I can call someone to tow this car and have a more professional checkup. And then I can drive everyone home. And we're all happy.
I said I don't need your help.
Well, suit yourself. I don't care.
What is all this? Is it by force?
Mom, I'm hungry and tired. I want to go home.
Maya, please. In a few minutes, this car will be up and running and we can go home.
But you have been trying for a while. I'm hungry.
Just give me a few minutes, baby. We'll go home and
My
eat.
stomach.
Can you just wait? Can you wait a few more minutes?
No.
Okay, fine. Fine. Okay, fine. We'll go with you. But I'm not moving an inch out of this place until my car is in safe hands.
There's this new show I want you to watch. Which one? Okay, girls.
All right. Halili, upstairs, go and change, get ready, come downstairs, change your clothes. Move. No time for you to rest. What? I think you'll be beautiful right now.
Well, I do not appreciate you suggesting things in front of my daughter, especially when you know I am against it.
I wasn't. I was only trying to help.
Help indeed. By blackmailing me in front of my daughter. Is that what I should be thanking you for?
Maya. Are you okay? I saw you standing sad at the road. I'm sad because I didn't do well in my classwork. What subject? French. I'm bad at it. Don't say that. Dad always says nobody is bad at anything when they understand it. Yes. I'll help you. Really? Yes. Thank you. We're friends. Okay, go and change. I'll come and meet you downstairs. Oh, let me come and meet you. No, I'll come and meet you.
Olivia, what exactly is your problem? What exactly is your problem? I saw you stranded. I help you, I pick you up. I call my mechanic to come afterwards and pick up your car. Instead of you to be happy, you are the opposite. What do you want in this life?
How many times do I have to point it out to you that I do not need your help? Okay? Let's mind the businesses that pays us. What is it? Helping me? Like what? I pay my bills, okay? I don't need your help! Maya!
Look at your mom again. Drop your head. Mom, look at her. Sandra, look at her. Come.
Dad, can I wash my plates?
Sure, honey. Of course.
Mom, what about me? Of course, go ahead. I'll wash your rinse.
I need to talk to you.
Okay.
Do you want to sell your car?
I don't understand. You see, this is the reason why I don't like people helping me. Like, what's the meaning of this now?
No, that's not what I mean.
So what do you mean? Just because my car developed a little fault, all of a sudden it's not like death that should be discarded. Really?
Can you listen to me? The kids are out there. Do I have to keep shouting and raising my voice on top of yours before you actually listen to me?
Well, I don't want to sell my car, and that's period. If your mechanic is fake, tell him to return my car. Otherwise, the both of you will be arrested.
Okay, maybe you don't need the help after all.
What do you mean?
Maybe you don't need the help, Olivia, because your car has problems. A big problem. And if you're not careful, you're going to keep fixing the same problem over and over again and again, spending money.
What?
I have a dealer, a friend, who has an offer to buy your car. Now you can decide to take this deal, or you can decide not to take it. You don't want to listen to me because it's coming from me. You want to be stubborn? That's fine. I can get the driver, taxi, whoever you want to bring that car first thing tomorrow morning, and you can kiss that deal goodbye.
You talk too much. Maybe you should become a lawyer. How am I going to fix my car now? Olivia, you talk more than you listen.
So you're taking notes, right?
Yes.
Okay, so Salut Mariam is hello Miriam. So this place will teach us like the words we don't know so we can use it to fill up the gap.
Maya, what if I told you about watching TV by this time?
Mom.
You're studying?
Yes.
Okay.
You know the classwork I told you I didn't really do well in? My friend here is helping me.
Oh, great. Thank you.
Is everything all right?
Yeah, everything is perfectly fine. Baby, hurry up and come to bed.
Okay, Mom.
Okay?
So you understand, right? Okay, solve this next question by yourself. So what does it say?
Salut, Ife.
So remember, if you don't know the word here, you can use this place.
Please. What exactly is wrong with you?
What do you mean? I was looking for my daughter. I don't know whether she's somewhere watching TV or pressing phone when she has school tomorrow.
And that's why you had to almost drag her away from mine? Like my daughter is some kind of bad influence on your child?
Can you stop?
No, I see the way you look at her. You have a problem with me, not with my child. Okay? Please, you can do anything you want, say anything you want, but do not involve the children in this. Please.
First of all, don't act like you know me. And then secondly, I wasn't talking to you.
You didn't have to, because I know exactly what is going on here. Whatever it is, I don't care. Do not involve these children. They're doing fine with each other. They're helping each other improve. Do you know the last time my daughter actually picked up a book and read on her own? It's been ages.
But that doesn't concern me.
Leave them alone. Whatever little fight we have between us, let it stay that way. Leave the kids out of it. Please.
Let me let you know that that is my child. I know how to train my child. Why don't you let me handle my daughter and then you handle yours? What is all this?
Man, what kind of shot devil is this?
Father, Lord Jesus, your daughter is here again this morning. Father, take absolute control of my life and the life of my daughter. Father, Lord, anywhere we go to, oh God, Father, you will bless us. Father, Lord God, King of glory, those people that say that we will not have peace, Father, they will not have peace. Father, King of glory, my Father in heaven, show no mercy. Father, show no mercy. Those who say we will not have peace, they will not have peace. Father, those who say we will cry over something, they will cry over the same thing. In the name of Jesus. Father, you will vindicate me. Oh Lord in heaven, my Father, I call upon you today. Father, King of glory, those who are disturbing me. Father, Lord God, King of glory, you will disturb them in the name of Jesus. You will disturb them in the name of Jesus. Father, show no mercy. Make sure they don't have peace in the name of Jesus. Those people that want to put us to shame, Father, Lord, you will put them to shame. Those who have mocked us, that have mocked our car, that have mocked our properties, Father, King of glory, show no mercy. Show no mercy.
Olivia, will you stop making noise? It's barely done and you're shouting down the house. My daughter is sleeping.
Though they come in front of neighbors, friends, family, fire, Holy Ghost, fire, in the name of Jesus. Show no mercy, consume them.
Ah, Maya.
Uncle Nicholas, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. What about Claire? She not coming?
Oh, I actually took Claire quite early to school today. You should hurry up. You're almost late.
Maya, are you okay? Hi.
Have a beautiful day at school, Maya.
Is there something you would like to say to me? Not as much.
Oh my God.
What's funny? I'm talking about something serious and you're laughing here.
You woke up this morning to pray. And with the content of your prayer, you don't think he's intentionally paying you back?
Well, I don't care. I felt threatened, so I saw the need to pray for myself and my daughter.
Threatened? He asked you to sell your car. So I don't understand.
See, the truth is, I don't just like that guy. I don't want to live in that house. I am just sick and tired. I just want to have money and then just move out with my daughter.
He's right. You know, you both have kids. And from what you're saying, you both are connecting.
I am not here for any form of connection. I'm not interested. I just want to have a roof over my head.
And a healthy relationship with your flatmates. You're forgetting that.
A healthy relationship with a flatmate that doesn't want a healthy relationship with me. Never. Please. I don't even know why I'm even talking to you about this matter, sir, because you're obviously taking his side and I'm not happy about it.
It's okay, please. Don't be offended. Okay?
It's fine. Let's just talk about something else.
It's okay now.
I said let's talk about something else.
Okay.
Nicholas! Nicholas! Oh God. Is this not his car? Nicholas! Mercy.
But is everything all right?
No, I left my key in the house. Please, can you help me with the spare key, please?
Okay, ma.
Thank you. This man is very, he said it's not correct. Nicholas! Oh, God.
Here's the key.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
What is the meaning of this nonsense?
The nonsense is you.
You are the nonsense. You left me knocking outside while you increased the volume of the TV and you opened the door for me.
Don't say what you don't know. Maybe I didn't hear the sound of your voice.
Really?
The music was loud, I was enjoying myself. Maybe your voice was tiny. Did you even knock? I didn't even hear you.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So the reason for all this nonsense you are doing is because of my early morning prayers?
I have no idea what you're talking about. I am here enjoying myself in this beautiful living room, in my beautiful couch, okay? Watching this beautiful television, enjoying myself. If you have a problem with that, it's not my fault.
You are such a petty human.
And yes, by the way, your car will be returned today. Thank you, you're welcome.
Whatever. When you're listening to music, tone it down. This is a house and not a club. Nonsense. Lord. What a day. Lord.
Hey, baby. Mom, Uncle Nicholas said I should give it to you.
Oh, okay. Where is he?
He's with Claire.
Oh, okay. Baby, I'll fix you something to eat, okay? Let me just rest a little.
Don't worry. Uncle Nicholas already made something for me and Claire.
Oh, he did? Then why are you sad?
Claire is not feeling fine. She's very, very sick.
Sick? But she was fine this morning.
The school brought her back, and she has been with Uncle Nicholas since.
Oh, okay. You know what? Just relax, okay? I'll go there myself. I'll go downstairs now.
Mom.
Yeah?
She's shivering and crying. Even Uncle Nicholas is sad.
Oh, okay. Don't worry. Just relax. Let me go check on her. Let me just get something to wear.
Maya, dear, I told you to come tomorrow. You should go to bed. I don't want your mother to be worried sick. Come tomorrow and see Claire.
If it were our mother, would she go to bed?
Olivia.
Can I come in?
Sure.
Oh, how is she? How is she doing?
Really?
What? I'm worried.
You are worried. I've never seen you care about my daughter, so I don't know where all this worry is coming from. What is this?
Please. Whatever differences we have, can we just put it past us? It's a child we're talking about. There are limits.
Oh. Are there? Because from the way you've been behaving all this time, it doesn't seem so. Like there's actually a complete hellfire between us.
Let her have this when she wakes up, okay?
No, please.
It will help.
No. I don't need your help. Okay? If there's anything else you want to talk about, that's fine. But I think you should start going.
Nicholas, can you stop?
I don't need your help. I know this is all you feeling guilty. That's what this is all about. Because of the way you treated her while she was fine. Well, my daughter is going to be okay. If by morning I don't see improvement, I will take her to the hospital. Okay, I don't need your help. All right? Keep the same energy you gave her when she was all right.
Fine.
Thank you.
If you need me, please let me know.
I don't need anything. Leave.
Good night.
Good night.
Baby, are you okay?
No, Mom. I'm scared. I want to be with Claire.
Baby Claire is sick and she needs to rest. She needs to be alone.
No, Mom. She needs to be with her friend. I'm her only friend.
What?
Mom, I'm her only friend. Let me just stay with her till she gets okay.
Baby, I don't think her father will be okay with that. Okay? All right, fine. You can go and see her if her father is okay with it.
Thank you, Mom.
Take it easy, okay? I know. I know you least expect this, but I totally understand the way you feel.
Please, don't patronize me. I'm already shaking enough.
I raised Maya as a single mother. I had no issues at all with her father. He woke up one day and said that we needed to talk. He said he's in love with another woman and he needed to be with her. I was so devastated, so scared. My heart was shattered, torn into pieces. He moved out and left us alone. So I hated men afterwards. So I have been there. I understand how you feel. And I know the face of fear when I see one. And that's what you're wearing right now.
You don't know me. You don't know me.
You're right. But Maya trusts you. And she loves Claire like a sister. That's why she is with her. And we're here stealing glasses of drinks.
I can't lose her. I can't lose her too.
You won't.
I can't.
You won't. Okay? You are not going to lose her. If Claire's not fine by morning, we will take her to the hospital. And hey,
Stop worrying. Worry never solves anything. Just pray and be hopeful, okay?
Thank you.
Everything will be okay.
Thank you so much, doctor. Sure, I'll let you know. Okay, I'll tell you how she's feeling. All right, God bless you, sir.
Who is that?
That was the doctor.
Oh, the doctor. How is she?
She's okay. She's much better.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah. I have to go get these prescriptions for her. I guess she has to come with me now.
No need for that. She can stay with Maya.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm. They are friends and they enjoy each other's company, so why not?
Wow, thank you so much. That really saves me a lot of energy and time.
You're welcome.
Okay, I guess I have to go get these. She has to take all her meds this morning.
You know what?
Yeah.
Your keys. The car keys.
What?
How about I drive you? Come on.
What?
Let me drive.
Are you serious? You're joking.
I am serious. Come with me, except you want to stand there looking at me.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Annabelle. She lived in the forest looking for apples, but she never found one until she found a wolf. And she named the wolf Dammy. One day she found a tree and she saw a golden apple. She ate it and she thought it's a witch.
It's all right, okay? She's going to be fine. Everything will be okay. All right?
I always see your mom around. What about your dad? Mom said he died. My mom too. She was sick, and that's why Dad is always worried when I'm sick. Sorry, but now I'm here with you, you're better. Yes, you're my best friend. Why don't you have friends? I don't like making friends. They always make fun of me because of my mom. So I just left them. Sorry. But that's mean. They shouldn't have done that. Yes, but that's why you're my friend. You're so nice and you would never do that to me. Well, except for your mom. She doesn't like me.
Oh, my baby. I'm so sorry. I'm back, okay? So, I got you these meds. You need to take a lot of these. You have a lot to take. So let me go get you some food, okay?
I'm fine now, Dad.
No.
How
You
you
need to.
feeling?
You need to.
How are you feeling?
I'm better.
Thank God, because your daddy has been so worried.
Aunt, please, can Maya stay with me? For a little while, please.
Of course. Of course she will. Baby, you want to stay back, right? Okay, that's fine.
Thank you, Auntie.
Okay. Here it is.
Let me help you with that. Take it easy. Alright.
Thank you, Dad.
They need some time alone. Okay.
Make sure you
Fine.
take your meds.
food.
I'll clean. Eat.
No, just eat your food.
Eat now.
She's doing all right. You can see that.
Yeah. I'm trying to decipher the kind of person you are. A few weeks ago, you could barely stand me. And now, you are all nice.
So is that what we're going to be talking about? Right now? While our children are playing besties upstairs.
I see how protective you are of Maya. I do. I understand. A few years ago when I lost her, the wife,
So sorry about that.
it broke me. And I realized how everything can go from good today to wild tomorrow. Yeah. So honestly, I don't blame you. It's good you're protective of her. In fact, it would have been weird if you just opened up freely to a guy you barely even know, a total stranger, especially with your daughter around.
Sure.
So I'm just letting you know again that no hard feelings. I do understand.
It's all right. You know, now I understand why it was easy for the both of them to get along. Because they've been through similar situations. What are they laughing at now?
I have no
what
idea.
What is funny exactly? These kids.
It's been so long I felt the feminine touch of a woman. The way you squeezed my hands today, earlier. It felt so smooth and soothing.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Look at this one. Do you know that this person is my friend? What about this car? Will you buy this car when you go?
Maybe.
Now buy all these cars. Even this house. No, buy this house. No,
Oh, but I thought you said you buy this one.
no, I'll buy this one. I'll buy all of them.
Okay.
What about you? Which one will you buy?
Anyone.
Yeah, choose one now.
Anyone. All of them are fine.
I'll buy everything. On your birthday, I'll not give you one. See, I'll buy the construction.
Ever since her mom passed away, I have never seen her make any friends.
Maya was right. She says she's our only friend.
That is true. That is very true. The others made fun of her because they didn't see her mom. And it made her hide away in her shell. It broke my heart. But Maya, though, you did a great job raising her.
You think so?
Yes. I don't think I would have been able to do such a great job with Claire. It's...
You're doing a great job. Otherwise, my daughter won't be with your daughter right now. You're a great dad.
I guess we both did a great job.
Yes.
Dad?
Yes.
Your phone was ringing.
Ah, okay. Whoa. Yeah, just a moment.
Right, yeah.
Dad,
Yes?
what are you doing?
Well, cooking, of course.
Can you cook for yourself alone? I want to eat Auntie Olivia's food.
Claire.
Claire, your daddy is a good cook.
Yes, I am.
I know, but I like yours better. Can you teach my dad how to cook? Please.
Yeah, that's fine.
Also, may I share a food with Maya?
Of course, honey. But on one condition. The both of you will be good girls.
Yes. Thank you, Auntie.
It's fine. Hey,
Yeah.
did I do anything wrong? Because looks like you've been avoiding me.
No, it's... I just want to apologize about what happened last night.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's nothing really.
I thought you weren't going to talk to me again or something. Yeah. So, are you going to teach me how to cook or what?
Oh, okay, Maya, catch. Do you want to play football, Maya? Do you want to play football? No. Okay, I'm scared I'll win you, right? Okay. Be careful,
So, what would you like to learn?
Well, we can start with what you're doing right now.
Okay, I'm trying to make sauce here.
Sauce.
Yes. You already know how to do this, don't you?
No. If my daughter says I should learn from you, then I will learn from you. Yeah.
Okay, so this is carrot.
Well, that's very smooth of you.
Stop making me laugh. Okay, so can you help me with the onions?
Sure.
Okay. So this. Can you stop? You're not ready to learn.
I'm sorry for how I behaved when we first started. And when we first met, I know it wasn't right of me. We spent so much valuable time fighting. I don't want to do that again. Please. You're so beautiful. You're so very, very beautiful, Olivia.
And you're handsome.
It's a lie. Hey, you hate this guy and you guys kissed?
Can you keep your voice down? You're not talking to the whole neighborhood.
Sorry, but how did this all happen?
I don't know. Maybe we started spending more time together, getting to know each other. My dear, it just happened.
It just happened. You're telling me you fell in love with him?
Nobody's talking about love here. Nobody is in love or anything. We didn't fall in love. It's just something that happened.
I can see it in your eyes. You
See
like
what?
this guy. Hmm? I mean, nobody just kisses without, some sort of affection already there, right?
Okay, fine. Well, I kind of like how he looks out for Maya, plays with the kids. Maya kind of misses a father figure in her life, The guy is not such a bad guy. Which one is that? Stop it now.
I mean, you need to see the way you're blushing. Your face is all red.
Have a good joke.
I can see this love.
I will not kill you there.
No, but really.
Lord. Oh, baby, please.
Hey. Hey.
Hey,
You're
I
back.
really don't know what you guys were doing, but she needs to go to bed.
No. Just take it easy. You're gonna wake them up.
Okay.
You know what? It's okay. I have this.
Okay.
Claire, get up. Let's go to bed. Time to go to bed. Maya, get up. Come.
Tomorrow, just take her. Baby, get up. Good girl. Take it easy, okay?
Claire, watch your step, okay? Watch your step.
I just want to say...
It's okay. You're going to wake her up. Let's go.
Honestly, I appreciate the way you look out for my daughter. I hate to admit this, but I think she loves you.
Hey, I love her right back. I do.
Right.
But for real, I think she's special.
Yeah, she is.
She is.
I think you love her because she makes your daughter happy. Right?
Actually, I love her because I have feelings for the woman who gave birth to her. Don't tell me you don't know, Olivia.
You know what?
Have you thought about the possibility that maybe, just maybe, us meeting together, living together in this house is not mere coincidence? Think about it.
What do you mean?
I see how you look at me, Olivia. I see how you take my daughter as your own after you soften up. And I know you know that my heart beats for you. I know you know, Olivia. I know you see it. I know you feel it. If you don't, I want you to feel it now. I love you.
I love you too.
Mom! Mom! Mom!
Baby, good morning.
We're going to be late. It's past 7 already. They're going to punish me.
Right, I'm so sorry. You know what? Go have your bath, okay? I'll just prepare breakfast for you and Claire.
Baby, just relax. Maybe they can just skip school today, okay?
What?
Yeah.
No way. We don't do that, okay? There's no way you're skipping school. Just go get ready, okay?
Baby, just relax, okay? What time are you going to get ready? Beat the traffic and then get her to school on time. I'm sure one day won't hurt.
You're not serious. There's no way we are skipping important things like school. She's going to school.
Baby, relax now. This is not enough reason for you to raise your voice.
Really?
Yeah.
Raising my voice?
The kids are
You see, this is the tone of voice I hate. The whole, I know parenting more than she does. I am a mom, okay? Let me raise my child the best way I can.
Okay.
What do you mean skip school?
Whatever.
Skip school from one day, the next time she'll skip school. What's all this for? It's because of you I slept this late.
Yes.
Baby, mommy's coming, okay?
Yeah, blame it on the man. The man is the cause of all your problems.
I'm ready, Dad.
Okay, baby. By the way, I'm gonna get you food later on for lunch.
Okay. Dad, may I join?
Let's go right now. Baby,
Nicholas.
let's go.
Nick. Baby, let me quickly get your lunchbox, okay? I'll be right back. Great. Okay, let's go. Great.
Let's see what we have here.
Dad,
Yes, sweetie?
can I ask you something?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
When will I have another mom?
What?
I like Mia, Dad. I wish she was my sister. You can talk to her mom.
Okay. Well, relax, sweetie. It doesn't work like that, okay? I mean, she can be your friend.
I know, but I just wish she was. I like the way we live together, with her and her mom. I like how she takes me to school and brings me back sometimes. Most of my friends don't laugh at me again. I like her, Dad. Can she be my second mom?
Sweetie, can we talk about this later?
Dad,
Baby, please. Okay? Thank you.
I don't know. But I think I went too far with it. We talked about the parenting thing and he got hurt.
Then apologize, Olivia. You know there's nothing to it.
I know I like this guy. But I don't want any man making parenting decision on my child till they are her parent.
It wasn't a decision. It was only a suggestion. I mean, you could have nicely declined it instead of lashing out at him.
You don't understand. After what I've been through with Maya's dad, I'm just scared. I don't just want anyone getting close.
I understand, Olivia.
You don't understand. These children, they are bonding. You need to see them. I am scared. I don't know what will happen when we decide to end all of this and then move to our own flat. It scares me. And to be honest, I just find myself shutting him off.
You know, sometimes you all encounter, people that will break us or hurt us. That doesn't mean we should not give others a chance.
It's not that simple.
Look,
From what I can see, you love this guy. And from what you've been saying, he loves you too. Your children are connecting. You just apologize to him. Who knows, this might be the beginning of something beautiful for you. I don't know. Think about it. Huh?
It's not that one.
Yes.
Okay, see.
Yes,
See,
I'm seeing
just
it.
watch.
Hello, girls. It's for you.
Thank you, Dad.
Okay.
Thank you, Dad. Take. Thank you. Take your. Okay, hi, Auntie.
Hi. Yeah, bye.
No, okay, let's watch it. I'll take my. I'll take my own. No.
Yes. Okay. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah, come in. All right, I'll call you back. I'll call you. By the way, Maya wants Claire to help her with the assignments, but she can always come back upstairs if you're not comfortable.
I am most comfortable when I am with you. My daughter is the happiest when she's with you and your child.
Olivia.
Look, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry for always pushing you, for always annoying you. I'm sorry for what I said to you today. You know, maybe you were right. Maybe I'm not much of a believer of fate. What if we're predestined to be here, to help each other heal?
That's what drew me to you. I mean, look at us. We've basically been through hell all our lives. We are the perfect match for each other. I've been trying to tell you this.
And I see it now. Listen, I have decided to put the past behind me, let go, and give myself a chance to love again, to be loved by you, with you. Of course, if that's okay by you.
Of course, what do you think? This will make me the happiest person in the world. Especially knowing how much my heart beats so fast for you. I might pretend, but it's the truth. You know, we can have so much more. We can have a life together. We can have more children, more unnecessary fights. As long as we have each other. I'm ready to do anything it takes.
Wait. The children we hear.
Oh, yeah. Well, you better start practicing how to be silent, huh?
How am I going to do that?
I don't know. You figure it out. Huh?